Hey, Alex here with Avant-Garde and 911R on Bring a Trailer. I'm here showing you the 1985 Mustang SSP. This thing is super cool. It has all the sirens, police scanner, intercom, spotlight. It has a 347 crate engine. I mean, going over the car, it's pretty dialed in now. New interior. This thing is really trick. Since the previous auction, we spent a lot of time and energy tidying up a lot of different components. First, in the engine bay, we removed quite a bit of wiring. We adjusted the valves and ensured that it's fully bulletproof there. On the inside, we went the extra mile. As you can see, the updated head unit is fully operational. The sound's pretty good from the speakers from behind. From there, AC is fully functioning. All the police bits and the sirens and all that fully work. The lights work on the outside. Drives super straight, brakes really well. The gears shift really nicely. And then from like a cosmetic standpoint, you know, the seats are really nice and clean. Dash pad is all tidy. There's no shrinkage there. Visors stay up where they need to go. We really went the extra mile to ensure that this Mustang was treated right and was ready for a new home.
If you have any questions, leave a comment down below or use the contact seller button. And if you're interested in 911R representing a car for you, use the contact seller button. We'd be happy to start a conversation.